English has been my favorite subject from 2 years. I am learning something new every day from English. You can say I read a story, novels, many things every day, and I try to understand what is the meaning of that. And like this way, I am taking help from many novels, stories because I'm learning vocabulary from novel, from story, from video, English video. So this kind of things I am taking, I am doing every day. So that's why English subject has become my favorite one. And whenever I feel bored, I love to read this kind of things, and that's why English has become my favorite subject. So you will be also the same like Shaun Mahmoud, and English will be your favorite subject if you also do the same thing like me. বলুন তো রোদ পোহানো ইংলিশ কি? Today I have learned this word, and that's why I love to share with you. আজকে আমি এই vocabulary শিখলাম. Suddenly I have come at our school field, and the time I think I should learn about this thing. হঠাৎ করে আমি মাঠে চলে আসলাম, তখন ভাবলাম যে আমার এই শব্দটা শেখা উচিত. So after that I learned the means of রোদ পোহানো. It's mean like sunbathe, and another vocabulary is bask in the sun. So whenever you need something to know, the time you can learn, and it will stay your mind a long time. যখন আপনার যেটা দরকার সেভাবে সেটা শিখবেন, তখন সেটা অনেক দিন যাবত মনে রাখতে পারবেন। যেমন আমার মনে হয়েছে যে রোদ পোহানো ইংলিশটা আমার শেখা দরকার, তো আমি শিখলাম। আশা করি এটা আমি ভুলবো না, অনেকদিন যাবত আমার মাথায় থাকবে। তো এইভাবে আমি আমার ভোকাবুলারি উন্নতি করতেছি ইনশাআল্লাহ। And if you want to, you can do also same thing. Thank you.